Facebook was growing faster than anyone expected. It was a phenomenon. Users flocked in by the millions. What began as a simple platform for college students had become a global force, reshaping how people communicated, shared, and experienced. Stories spread instantly. Revolutions were organized online, and distant families reunited with a click. But with success came challenges he never imagined. Lawsuits, accusations, media pressure. Questions flooded in. Was Facebook doing enough to protect user data? Was it influencing elections? Some criticism came from people he once called friends, early believers who now saw something different in what they helped build. For the first time, Mark wasn't sure what to do. His young team, once idealistic and energetic, now faced a storm of scrutiny. Every move was dissected, every decision questioned. The world began asking, privacy violations? Too much power? Not enough accountability? He walked alone at night, hoodie on, wondering if he'd done the right thing. Was the platform helping the world or harming it? Then, he remembered why he started. The mission remained: connect the world. He thought back to that dorm room and the first lines of code, so he returned to what he did best. He started building again, this time with deeper purpose. He knew that to grow, they had to earn trust. He listened more, not just coding, but leading. He invited feedback, brought in experts on ethics and security, and faced hard conversations. The product evolved, and the values behind it, too. Security and transparency became priorities, and users noticed the change. Thank you, Facebook. Feels safer now. He stepped into a new role, not just as a founder, but a public leader, a steward of a digital world with real-world impact. And through the storms, he didn't just survive, he became stronger.